Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to the EASIS Arkansas portal at ease.arkansas.gov. This portal is for Arkansas state employees to manage benefits, payroll, personal information, and more. Let's dive in and get you logged in quickly and securely. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter ease.arkansas.gov into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. In the website that opens, type your user ID here. Type your password here and click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into your EASIS Arkansas account at ease.arkansas.gov is quick and secure. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video and take care.